Harley, what'd you find, buddy? Found one of those rawhide presses treats in the toy box. Let's see how long it takes him to eat it. Harley, what you got, bud? Harley? About halfway gone already. He's only had it for about maybe a minute. Harley? Is that good? Did you give up? What you got, buddy? Hey, I can't see you now. Harley? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Come here. Sit. Sit. What you got, buddy? Pick up all the crumbs.
When your cat needs help finding her own litter box, you know something wonderful is happening. Like fresh step litter adding odor-eliminating carbon. Carbon that helps keep odors from ever leaving.
Harley, what you got, buddy? You almost done. You almost got it all, bud.
Fresh step non-clumping with odor-eliminating carbon.
I'm Marie Osmond, and I was overweight.
What you got, huh?
And so finally I said, do something that's a no-brainer for me. Then
almost done. He is almost finished with that thing. Can't believe it. Lasted maybe 3 minutes. But it takes all my other dogs about half hour to eat. Harley, there's some right here on the floor, bud. Harley, clean up your mess. Huh? Harley, you're gonna make a mess. I just cleaned that up. There's no more in there. There's no more in there. Hey, hey. What are you doing? What you got? Oh, you got a squeaky? Did you find something else? What you got, buddy? You find something? Yeah. Did you find something? Harley, come here. Let me see you. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, buddy. Harley. You're so handsome. You're so Harley. You're so handsome. What's that? You're so handsome. You see the doggy on the TV? Look at that handsome boy. Wanna go bye-bye? Go for a walk? You gonna make a mess again? Huh? Bandit Kit, stop stealing his crumbs. What are you doing? Hey, hey, Harley. 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 What you got, buddy? You found one, huh? Harley. Harley, what you got, buddy? Harley. Oh, he's a good boy. All right, bye-bye.